Hey everybody, today we'll be exploring the four fundamental forces in nature which exist throughout the universe. Firstly, there is gravity, which is the weakest force compared to the other three fundamental forces. For gravity, it applies to all particles with a mass. The range of the force is infinity, and the graviton is the predicted force carrier. So that's the first fundamental force. The second fundamental force we have is the weak nuclear force, which is stronger than gravity but weaker to the remaining fundamental forces. For the weak nuclear force, it applies to quarks and leptons. The range of the force is short, and W and Z bosons are the force carriers for the weak nuclear force. Thirdly, we have the electromagnetic force, which is stronger than gravity and the weak nuclear force, but it is weaker than the strong nuclear force. For the electromagnetic force, it applies to electrically charged particles. The range of force is infinity, and a photon is the force carrier. And finally, we have the fourth fundamental force in nature, which is the strong nuclear force. This is the strongest force compared to the other three fundamental forces. For the strong nuclear force, it applies to gluons and quarks. The range of force is short, and a gluon is the force carrier. Let's now look at one practice example, applying what we have learnt. So the example we have here is compare and contrast the weak nuclear force to the strong nuclear force. Firstly, let's define what compare and contrast really asks us what to do. So basically, to compare means to give similarities, and contrast means to provide differences. Therefore, our answer should be something like this. What is written here? Firstly, both the weak nuclear force and strong nuclear force have a force range which is short. So both of them are short range forces, and both apply to quarks. However, for the weak nuclear force, W and Z bosons are its force carriers, while for the strong nuclear force, a gluon is the force carrier. So I've given similarities and differences, and I've answered the question. I hope this video successfully built your understanding on the four fundamental forces in nature. Thanks for watching. See you later.